Hello, my name is Alistair MacKenzie from Silverstring. I'm the Managing Director and founder of the business, and we've been trading since 2002. So Silverstring started life as a traditional value-added reseller, very heavily aligned to IBM technologies, and we specialize in data protection. Increasingly, though, our business model is to help other resellers transform themselves into fully fledged managed services providers to make most use of the opportunities presented by cloud platform computing. So effectively what we're doing is helping them move from a more of a transactional type business model to monthly recurring revenues based on backup as a service, disaster recovery as a service, utilizing cloud anywhere in the world. So moving from locally based deployments to hybrid cloud models cross-border. We can't do everything. There's a lot that's required to help a traditional reseller that's perhaps been in business for 20 years to move towards, super cloudy, everything's recurring revenue. I mean, that is a journey, put it that way. Where can we help? Well, one of the things you need to start taking care of the monthly recurring revenue is billing, more automation, contract management, reporting, analytics, social. That, you're going to put all that together as a reseller, or will you take something that's sort of pre-built? And we've been through that pain. We've been through that journey over the last 13 years of moving from transactional VAR. We found out we were too small to be a VAR and compete in that space. So we thought, what can we do? Well, we can move into this new cloud world. That's new. We can be first mover advantage. So we've gone through a lot of the trials and tribulations and worked out what doesn't work, and we've built this platform. So effectively, now that MSPs or resellers who want to become MSPs don't have to go through the same painful journey. Ultimately, the benefit is down to efficiencies. So IT, is transformative, yes, but a lot of what we're into is the sort of the plumbing, the back-end infrastructure. So, first rule of IT management is look after the data. But you want to do it as effectively and as efficiently as possible. So what we're enabling effectively, the main benefit is that if we can move the consuming of the backup service from more transactional to more pay per month, then what that does is effectively removes waste. So rather than having to plan 5 years in advance how big your data protection solution needs to be, if you can just pay as you go, pay as you grow, whatever the term you want to use, it's a far more efficient procurement method. And the other thing we do is we automate a lot of the mundane tasks. So nobody really wants to be doing boring IT jobs, particularly as new millennials are coming into the IT marketplace. So if we can remove some of that drudgery from keeping the lights on, then that's a key value proposition that we can bring to the ultimate end user. The problem shifts from being not having to spend 2 or 3 years building out your platform, building out your portals, your customer-facing portals that are required if you're moving from a transactional relationship to one that's more permanent. So the work isn't do I have a nice cloud portal? That's already pre-built. The focus then for the VAR, the business development directors, the owners of the VAR, is how do I re-engineer the sales and marketing? How do I re-engineer the execution of delivery? The billing, the management contracts, all that sort of thing. Our business is data protection. So it's not very glamorous. People can say, well, it's been around for a while. What's new? What's differentiated, right? So, but I think there's always plenty of examples in industry and business generally where you can always do something better. And the market is huge. The data protection business, backup and disaster recovery as a service, it's a 50 billion a year business. So if you can reinvent that, if you can find another way of delivering that with less pain, more efficiency, more interest, then that's where we're going to play. Okay, so what's new with Silverstring is we are taking to market at the end of this month a new version of our flagship product called Predator version 9. In addition, the other thing that's different is we're actually giving them more of the complete solution, so they have even less time to spend designing and planning and building their go-to-market as a service, whether it's backup as a service or disaster recovery as a service offerings. So rather than just providing the service management application, Predator, we're also going to be providing more of the stack, the infrastructure as a service, the actual application software. But the key thing is we allow our partners to add their value, which is local support, local relationships. Therefore, they're keeping more of the overall profit.